Welcome mental enthusiasts to a journey through the cutting edges reclaim of modern matter. In this exploration, we will develop into the innovative elements and remarkable advancements that have transformed the journal. Balance yourself as we embark, uncovering the essence of modern matter. From the depth of restoration drains cutters into the hundreds drops of complex writhing modern metal has emerged as a force of unprecedented captivating assumptions of aggressive tone and visceral emotion. These regional various influence pushing and boundaries of sonic exploration on the detailing characteristics of modern metal is the fusion of diverse style and genres drive inspiration from progressive rock, regent industrial and even classical music. It transcends traditional boundaries, foregoing a unique sonic identity. Bandy jazz, perhaps, and Guava propelled the movement, incorporating unconverted time signature polyrhythm and intricate instruments that defy conventional norms. In this reclaim of vocals, modern metal offers a vast array of technique, ranging from guttural grooves to soaring metallic pitches. The harsh, gravelly growls of bands like Behemoth and Cannibal Corpse coexist with clean, soaring melodies reminiscent of a light engaged and artist. That juxtaposition of vocal style at depth and diversity of painting and vivid sonic hand space for the listener. But it does not stop there. Technological advancement have played a pivotal role in shaping the modern metal sound. The advent of digital audio workstation and visual instruments and allow musician craft integrate composition with remarkable precautions, modeling technique, and impulse responsive have revolution and culture tones embedding artisans to reactive the sound and retain, emphasize, and experiment with new sonic features. In the reclaim of drums, modern metal has witnessed paradigm shift. Drummers now rely on electronic drum triggers, embedding them to achieve clustering speed and incredible accuracy, sample liberator offer, and extensive range of track sound, granting drummers unprecedented control over their sonic battle. This technological leap has opened door to a new era of trumping viscosity. While modern metal is often associated with sheer aggressive, it also boasts a deeply emotional side. Lyrics explore a myriad of topics ranging from personal struggles to society issues, inviting listeners to engage to introspection. Bands like archetypical them of mental health and environment, while others like Tool and of developing into introspective philosophical narratives. The lyrical depth enhanced to lecture experience, fostering a connection between the music and human condition. Modern metal and embrace a power of visual storytelling, elaborate stage production, captivating music video, and immersive performance have become integral components of the agri identity. Bands like Hipcoat and now their theatrical prowess have elevated Live to a new height, leaving audience wasting and carving more.